right, so I just wanted to try to put together a quick little video for you guys. Kind of a tutorial, but I lost a lot of my footage. Anyways, here I am cutting up some lemons for the cake. We're making a vanilla lemon cake, sorry about that. And it's lemon curd on the inside with candied lemons on top. Here is a picture right here. I was making it for my sister's birthday. She wanted something very simple, something quick, but it definitely had to have cooked lemons on it. So here I am filling in the cake with the lemon curd that I made. It's just a regular vanilla cake. Then I start to put my yellow icing on there. It's just yellow, not lemon on top of lemon on top of lemon. But like I said, I lost a lot of footage. I don't know what happened to it. And I sat on this footage since like October. So, not upset though. I still had something to give you guys. By the way, if you do enjoy it, if you don't enjoy it, if you just happen to stumble across it, go ahead and like it for me and do subscribe because I do have some more stuff coming for you guys. Here's the final product.
Boom, bam, bop, bada bop, boom, pow.